It's a very wet day, December the 20th. I'm running up to the winter solstice. I'm at a village called Dyfi furnace. I'm not on a walk. It's above the furnace works themselves. I'm going to do some work at a waterfall later, but I've stopped at a little stream and left some water, blessed the waters here, and I picked up some quartz. And yes, with argas, I'm going to do some light language. Some of the other rabbit corner city because they're going to visit know that you're supported in all possibilities. Get ready to surrender. It was sometime in 2022 before I moved to Wales that I had memories, visions of this place, and memories of past lives at the furnace or near there as nature spirits, along with Simon, me being the nature spirit. And then it was the first time that I also connected to the Welsh white dragon. But since then as well, since moving to Wales, I also noted that I've got dragon aspects of myself here at the furnace, so a special place for me. Stopped at my little waterfall to do some light language. Some altre piccole picate che si mi ricruta picate per serrate che come serrate per terra che se mi ricurate più più serramo che come terra potrà che come terra potrà che si va shifting the warmth programs rapidly. Underneath the laurel, maybe some light language. Somewhere what I got to see feel the goodness of your creativity. Some of the some of the gun rapid to say at the come rapid to the characters surrounded to and I shelter in forgiveness. Given a special location. We will support your dreams. This is the furnace, the mill, laurel trees where I did some light language. No. Waterfalls. Did some personal light language up there.